In this video, I will show you how to download and install ESPN TV on Samsung Smart TV. This is very easy. You can subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you have a Samsung Smart TV like mine and you're connected to internet and you want to download the ESPN TV application to that Samsung Smart TV, the first thing you might try to do is try to locate your app store on your Smart TV. So for instance, here's my own app store depending on my launcher. So here's how my own app store looks like. So as I come over to my app store and I launch my app store. This is how it's going to look like. Alright, it just came straight away to the search bar. Here's the dashboard for my app store. So as I come over here, I'm just going to go straight away to the search box because I don't want to waste a lot of time. I, I'm going to search in ESPN. Once I type in ESPN, I'll go ahead and click go or done. And my smart TV is going to show me the various options of ESPN. So I'm looking for ESPN TV, and that's the first option. So once I click on that, I'm going to get in the download button. And here's the download button. All I have to do is just click on download, and the application is going to be downloaded and installed to my Samsung Smart TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful.